In Canvas, this tutorial will show how to create electronic grades for quizzes, create your quiz and modify quiz settings, as well as adding randomized questions to the quiz itself. To get started, click on the Courses tab on the left-hand side of your screen, then select Quizzes. From our quiz menu, you can see we've already created one quiz, but for this demonstration, we will add an additional quiz through the button on the upper right-hand corner. This section shows how to modify your quiz settings through a quiz title, formatting, and then setting up the quiz type and assignment group. We can shuffle the answers so they're different for each student and set a time limit for the amount of time allotted for the quiz. You can also allow multiple attempts for students and then set the score to finalize with their highest score, the latest quiz completed, or the average of their attempts. In the next portion, you can set up how students can view the answers to the quizzes. And scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the screen, you have a few other restrictions that you can set up for the quiz itself. To assign, you'll have to set up a due date for your quiz, which means also setting up when the quiz is active for students. Once finished with your setup, you can press Save. Then you'll return to the top of your screen and select Questions next to the Details page. From this area, you can add a new question that you create, add a new question group, or find questions from the quiz library you've already created. For this quiz, we can pull questions we've pre-created for quiz number 2. At this time, we just have one question created. You'll checkmark the questions you want to input, select the group if that's how you wish to group the questions, and then add questions. You'll return back to your Questions tab and you can see the particular questions that have been added and the associated points. At any time, you are able to edit your questions through the pencil mark button or delete. Once everything is finished and you're satisfied with your quiz, you can press Save and Publish at the bottom of this menu. This will return you to a recap area of the quiz you have created, and then you'll see Publish at the top of your screen. Again, at any point, you can return and use the Edit button to make adjustments to your quizzes.